Like, he, oh, after this is your TH video, cause I did it before you liked, so yeah, next time like faster. Anyways, you're a pretty cool person. You're like my best friend. You're like my brother, actually. We never really have our ups and downs, cause usually we have like pretty good times, you know. We really need to hang out more, cause we don't really talk that much anymore. And yeah, you're awesome. You like you've been there for me. Sorry that like when we were in kindergarten, me and Giselle used to hit you with the rocks and stuff. And in first grade, yeah. It was awesome hanging out with you during my childhood. Like we used to, you know, we u- we used to play pirates and stuff in the playground. It was pretty funny. We used to play pretend, like family and stuff. Yeah, and then we kind of lost like contact during 2 grades. Like we didn't hang out that much. But then when I had you in the class again, it was pretty cool because we hung up, we hung more, like since I used to stay in your guys' table and stuff. Yeah, it was pretty funny, and I used to pinch you guys, and we kind of fell off the chair. But yeah, and at Shady Creek, when when freaking Marco threw me in the water thingamabobby, and I had to swim out, and I had to stay wet the whole day. So yeah, and you started laughing. You didn't do anything, but okay. Um, um, we also the we didn't get to be in the same teams, I guess. When we did the shelter, when I ran out and Carlos had to go in, cause, 'cause, like I ran out the shelter 'cause I was yeah. But yeah, we had some pretty good times, and I hope that this year we start hanging out more, since we don't hang out that much anymore. Yeah. Well, bye, best friend.